Do you ever imagine what our world was like before cities and cars and roads? I know I do. Sometimes I just like to look at that world. I put my hands around my eyes to block out the distractions and imagine just looking at the beauty of nature, listening to the story that has been told for millions of years. The story of the trees collectively growing towards the sun. The story of the river bending and changing, but never stopping. The story of the mountains subtly reminding the world of our immense history. Luckily, we all recognize the power of these stories and the need to preserve them. That's why we create national parks, so people like you and me can experience that world for years to come.
10 different species of dinosaurs, the biggest find ever in a concentrated area of different species of dinosaurs. And he dug and he dug and he dug and he dug and he found more.
We would like you to join us on a one-of-a-kind road trip around the U.S. with the unique mission of capturing every national park in 360 degrees. Our hope is to create an interactive app, a website, and a network of people to help inspire a new generation of nature lovers. We invite you to contribute to our campaign so you can put on your wild eyes and experience our natural heritage in a whole new way.